you're facing the problem of your Snapchat account being temporarily disabled, then you have come to the right place. As you can see, I can easily open Snapchat, chat with friends, send snapshots, create stories, and perform various activities. I have full access to my Snapchat account. However, there are times when you may face the problem of Snapchat being temporarily disabled. In this video, I will walk you through the different ways to solve this problem. Be sure to watch this video till the end to learn all those solutions presented step by step, from the easiest to the most complicated. First, check your internet connection to make sure everything is working properly. Then go to the App Store or Google Play and search for Snapchat. It's important to have the latest version, so update if necessary. Snapchat may not support all the versions of the app, which will cause a temporary disconnect. Once you have updated, go to your device settings. On iPhone, tap General and go to the iPhone storage. On Android, the process may be slightly different. Find Snapchat, tap on it and select Unload app. This will delete the app but save the data, making it easier to reinstall. Reinstall the app and you are done. If the problem persists, open Settings again, scroll down to the bottom, find Snapchat and make sure background app updates are enabled. This setting is very important to fix the problem. If the problem persists, a more complicated solution is to contact Snapchat support. Open your browser and type Snapchat support in the search engine. Go to help.snapchat.com and explore the available options, such as using Snapchat or account management. Click on the relevant topics and explore possible solutions. To contact Snapchat support, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and click Contact Us, and then select any report to send. Include your username, email, mobile number, and detailed description of the issue. Submit the report and Snapchat support will receive it. They should resolve the issue within a few hours. Make sure your app is updated and you have followed all the previous steps. Once the problem is fixed, you should be able to use Snapchat without facing any temporary disconnection issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and say goodbye.